Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifá, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifá. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifá teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The birth of Iròfà and the Divination Board, Patakin. At the beginning of creation, Òrúnmìlà was a close friend of the elephant, and they would go into the forest together to work and find ways to earn some money in order to sustain themselves daily. However, Òrúnmìlà did not have the same strength as the elephant and could not work at his pace. They worked together for 3 years and 3 consecutive months, but when they finished, Òrúnmìlà had very little money, just enough to buy himself a white outfit. Meanwhile, Ayàkanú, the elephant, had earned a great deal of money. Since Òrúnmìlà had so little, which he had spent on his white outfit, he returned to the forest, but before doing so, he gave the white outfit to Ayàkanú, so he could take it home and keep it safe until Òrúnmìlà returned. When Òrúnmìlà arrived in the forest, he saw the elephant wearing his white outfit. When he asked him about the money, the elephant replied, "You never gave me anything to keep." They fought, but Òrúnmìlà could not defeat the elephant, as he was much stronger. And because of this, they parted ways. Òrúnmìlà took the path of Ogbe without his white outfit, and the elephant took the path of Ogbe wearing the outfit. Along the way, Òrúnmìlà encountered a hunter who told him he was in search of an elephant. Òrúnmìlà replied, "I just saw one dressed in white, heading down the Ogbe path." The hunter followed the Ogbe path, and upon seeing the elephant, shot him with his arrows. He opened the elephant, and inside he found the white outfit. Then he cut off the lary, the head, the tail, and the tusks, and brought them to Òrúnmìlà as an offering. Then Òrúnmìlà used the tail to make the Iròfà, and from the frontial, forehead plate, he created the Divination Board. Note: the white outfit refers to the ala, the intestinal membrane or veil found in animals.